In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract only images from a PDF using Foxit PDF editor. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF here and the PDF has a ton of images. As you can see, this image is kinda cut off, but there's somebody here. Let's scroll down. Another image here, another one, and so on and so forth. So, using Foxit PDF editor, we can easily extract high quality images from that particular PDF. So I'm going to open up Foxit PDF and then just drag and drop the PDF I want to extract the images from. So these are the images and you can see high quality images right there. It's super simple and all I need to do is go to the convert and from here click on export all images. Now please take a note, it's going to export all images in the PDF document. I'll click on it and from here I'm going to kind of give it the name to save, and I can use the save as type and maybe go with PNG, and there are some settings you can work with. Click on that and all pages or from pages X number or whatever. Subset, you can see everything that you need there. Change whatever you want, but I'll leave everything as it is and then click on OK and then click on save. The format here, PNG processing, page 6. So it's kind of going through the pages and extracting or exporting the images. And as you can see, it's opened up. The first image here, as you can see, if we look at it right now, you can see the full image looks like this. And it's a huge image. And that is what the image looks like. So if you wanted to use the image somewhere else, or maybe another PDF or another document, you can use it. We look at maybe this other one. This one also looked a little bit small in this particular PDF. So you can see it right here. Now it's the whole thing right there. So that is how you can extract only images from a PDF document using Foxit PDF editor. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.